Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will going to show you how to download the Instagram app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Instagram app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website on your screen. So on this website is where we will download the Instagram app. So just go and open it. And after opening the site, there you go guys. You will now see the download button for Instagram right here. Just go and click it. And after that, the Instagram installer file will now be downloaded. So you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then here, just click the Get button. And then your Instagram will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. You will now have your Instagram app installed. So all you have to do next is just to log in your account if you already have one, or create an account if you don't have it yet. In my case, I will create a new account. So to create an Instagram account, it's actually very simple. You just have to fill up the needed informations on this page, such as your Gmail, birthday, the username that you want, and password. Make sure to remember the username and password that you will set here, since you will need it in order to still log into your account in the future. And once you're done filling up the informations, you can now click Submit. And after that, you will now have your Instagram account, and you will also be automatically logged in, so you can now start using the app. And by the way, guys, if you also want to add the Instagram app to your desktop home screen, just click this 3 dots on the app. And then go to App Settings. And here on App Settings, just click this Add Desktop Shortcut button for the last step. And after that, it's done. Congratulations! You will now have your Instagram app added to your desktop home screen, so you can now access the app more easily in the future. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.